module. So this session helps you to understand what is Bootstrap and what is the file structure of Bootstrap, so, and how to create the Bootstrap pages. So, and what are the global styles, and also default grid system. So here, so what is Bootstrap? So Bootstrap is a front-end framework. So by using this, we can develop the web applications faster and easier. So this Bootstrap includes HTML and CSS based design templates. So these design templates can be used for our text, forums, buttons, tables, so navigations, so images, so and also we can use the JavaScript plugins. So here Bootstrap will gives you the ability to easily create some designs. So as I said, what is Bootstrap? So it is a CSS and JavaScript based design templates. So that are used for our text, forums, buttons, navigation buttons. So and also we can use this for interface components. So and here this Bootstrap is a giant collection of reusable bits of code. So it is a collection of reusable code. So the code is written in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So mainly Bootstrap is a front-end development framework. So it enables developers and designers to quickly create the websites by minimizing the CSS code. So we can, the writing of CSS code can be minimized by using this Bootstrap, because this Bootstrap contains a lot of predefined CSS classes. So we can just use that CSS classes to design our web pages. So history is this was developed by the two Twitter employees. So and it is released in 2014. So it is easy to use, and more responsive features are provided in this Bootstrap. So and the main advantage of Bootstrap is, so it is flexible in all the screens. Say for example, when we develop an web applications, so that can be opened in desktops or mobile phones or tablets. So the screen size will be varying. So if we use this Bootstrap classes, so automatically it will adjust to the screen sizes. It may be a mobile phone, or it may be a tablet, or it may be a desktop. So and why we have to use this Bootstrap? Because as I said, so it is a mobile first approach. So this framework consists of mobile first styles. So entire library supports this mobile screen. So and it is also supported by all modern browsers. So and it is easy to get started with its Bootstrap. So whenever we have the basic knowledge of HTML and CSS, so we can continue with this Bootstrap. So and by using this, we can develop this responsive web pages. So and file structure, whenever we can download this Bootstrap from the internet, it is freely available. So we can download it, and once we download, so that when we unzip that folder, so it consists of 3 subdirectories: CSS, JS, and images. So all the CSS classes and JavaScript plugins, so and glyphicons of links. So that is like providing some small icons on the web pages. So it includes CSS code, JavaScript code, and also some glyphicons like small icons on the web pages. So these 3 folders will be provided by this Bootstrap. So the CSS will be designed in this classes. So just we have to use that class name in our division element. So as I said, we can download the Bootstrap. So the original Bootstrap can be downloaded by this from the site getbootstrap.com. So we can download and we can copy to our project directory. So that is one way. So and one another way is directly using the links. So that is content delivery networks. So all the contents will be placed in that network and we will be using the links. So here we have two options to use the Bootstrap. The first option is download the Bootstrap files. So and copy to your root directory of the application. So one more is so directly use the content delivery network links in your web pages. So if you don't want to provide local links, so we can directly link with this content delivery network. So automatically it will be taken from that particular link. So these are the links. Suppose we are not downloading the Bootstrap. So and I want to access the features of Bootstrap in my web pages. So in that case, so we can use this three links. So that is one for CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery plugins. So we can use this links in our web pages. So and by using this links, so our web page will get access to this Bootstrap files. So then we can start using this Bootstrap classes in our applications. So the main, when we include this, all the CSS classes will be linked to our web pages. So it becomes easy. So and we can avoid the CSS code. We can avoid writing the CSS code for some classes. So it provides some templates also. We can readily use the templates for our web page. So and so this global styles are provided in this. So like so it removes the margin on the bodies. So and it sets the background color to white in global. So and use the basic font size. So line height attributes. So this Bootstrap uses this three important attributes, one for font family and one for font size and one for base line height. Suppose if you want to set your own font family and if you want to set your own font size, so in that cases, so we have to download the Bootstrap files. So and we can edit this attributes. So if you want to use the predefined font family, font size, line height, so we can use the links. So if you want to make changes to this font size, line height, everything, so we can edit the CSS. Suppose if you want to use the standard format, so just we can provide the links. So and there is a global link color variable. So link color also will be provided. So this provides the color to our web page. So these are some of the global attributes so that are provided in this Bootstrap, like background color will be white, font family, font size, so and base line height. So usually the line height in the Bootstrap will be 33%. So that we can change it using the CSS. So these are the some global attributes provided in this Bootstrap. So this is like contextual colors and backgrounds. So here we can use this contextual colors. So there are some predefined classes like BG primary, BG success, global. BG is background info, background warning, background danger. So when we use these classes, so right side is the design what we get from this. So we no need to write a design for this BG primary. So it will be predefined in the CSS file of the Bootstrap. So it provides us this standard format. So if you want to display some text in this way. So we can use this contextual colors and backgrounds. Primary success info warning and danger. Say suppose I want to display one a paragraph and the background color must be blue, so and the text must be white. So in that cases, so just we can use this class. So automatically the effects will be included in our web page. So this is one important example. So where we can avoid the CSS coding. Bootstrap. So and this Bootstrap provides the grid system. So before going to the grid system, so I just show you one example. So here, so how to the one simple first Bootstrap page. So here, so basic web page. So contains this Bootstrap. So here we have one class called container in the Bootstrap. So it provides some fixed height and width for our information. So this is our first Bootstrap page. So like first Bootstrap page. So here, so char set, it should be UTF-8. It uses that encoding. And next, there is one meta tag. So meta tag v4 and content. So when we use this meta tag with this parameters, so automatically it will be the width will be adjustable to the device width. So the screen width will be adjustable to the device. So you can open in the mobile, so it will adjust to that screen. So you can open in the desktop, it will adjust to that screen. So without damaging the text format. So and this is one first Bootstrap page. So here we are just providing the links. We are just providing the links. So this is we are getting from the content delivery network. So this is our files bootstrap.min.css. So this file can be obtained by this H reference. So that is the link. Similarly, jQuery plugins we can get, the JavaScript plugins. So this is one simple page. If you want to start developing the Bootstrap web pages, so first provide these links in your web page. So and then follow this. The content of the web page can be displayed. So if we execute this, so Bootstrap 3 slash so basic 1.h. So this is my first Bootstrap page. So and I provided some content. So here you can observe, so some predefined classes are working on this. So font size, everything we are not defining. So automatically it is taking. So and this Bootstrap also provides the headers. So similar way like HTML. So we can change it to H6. So H1 to H6 is also provided in this Bootstrap. So just refresh. So here you can see the H1 heading is less size. So similar way we can use it to the H4. So H1 to H6. H1 to H6. So the heading will be changed. So my Bootstrap page. Similar way like HTML. So this headings are also provided in this Bootstrap. Some predefined text format is provided. So when we use H1, so this is the highest size H1. So it reduces H2, H3, H4. So gradually it reduces the size. So and here, so division we are using. So this division element will place the content in one particular format. So this is the first Bootstrap page. So in this, just we are providing the links for Bootstrap, and we are using this container class. Container class. So and we have one more class like container fluid is also provided. So container fluid, that is one more class. So it adjusts to the screen. It adjusts to the screen. So container is one class and container fluid is one more class. So if we use container, so it is like a static size. Static size. So this is the variation we can observe. This is a static size. So and if we use this fluid, so that means that so it tries to adjust with the web page size. So it starts from the leftmost margin, so and it tries to start with the beginning of the web page, that is left margin it starts. So that is to adjust to the screen and effective way. So we can use this fluid. So container is static, fluid is dynamic.